is go and change the mode of the image. Now, a lot of them will come through as grayscale. Because we're going to be working with color, we need to switch this to RGB color.
Accessing neural filters.
Filter, we open the neural filters, and you will need to download these onto your software. Simply just click and download.
Initialise Colourize.
Turn this on and boom. Now you will see that this hasn't worked completely correct, but there is a really easy way that we can clean this up. When we look to the right hand side of our main image here, we have the original black and white one.
Adding colour points.
Now I know that this dress is this colour, not this red colour. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just click on different areas, and this does take a bit of time, and you have to be very good at kind of like measuring colours, because you can't just use the cherry picker like we've done in the past. They haven't put that feature on this. I am seeing blues and indigos. There's obviously like red in here, and we've got like the lighter purple. So the area I'm going to be working on mostly is probably this area here. I'm going to go to the blue range, get up a little bit more towards the purples, and we're going to be probably in this area here. Let's give this a little whirl and see what happens. Boom, and it's looking better. Has changed this a little bit, but we can work on this. I'm now going to start adding in more blue. Okay, that's looking better. Go here.
Noise colour artifacts.
So the next stage, we can balance out the picture more. So if you need to do some kind of colour balancing, can you see that's gone a bit too green? We can add in the magentas, that's possibly a bit too pink. And this will just change the overall kind of colorization of the image. So we can do things like, if there was a lot of like colour artifact on here, we can get rid of that. So if I just pull this right down, there are predefined profiles here. So you can, if you just want to cheat, go through them and do this, but I don't think that's really the fun part of it.
Curve level colour balance.
Then we click OK, and there we have on a new layer, on a smart layer, our now coloured image. We can go through the process then of, you know, mucking around with your colours. You can adjust the layers, the levels, and actually make this image kind of more, I don't know, richer, make the colours pop.